Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amanina Nadia Aiman binti Razman. Okay, today I want to share with Doctor benefits and challenges of online learning during COVID-19 era. And this one is I follow my instinct, and the other one is I follow one of the article from Pakistan, I think. Okay, so the first point, which is advantage of learning during of online learning during COVID-19, is remote learning, which is it was manageable and students could conveniently access teachers and teaching materials. It's very easy for me now because every time I just WhatsApp my lecturers, where can I find these notes, and then they will answer me and find at this file, and then it's more easy for me to just read all the data, all the site first, and then for me it's very convenient lah. Okay, and then it also reduce use of travelling resources and other expenses. So basically this one is also true. Currently I no need to think about my fuel, which is I need to save, I need to allocate some of my money to go to Puncak Alam, but now I don't need to think about that already. Alright, and then it is administrative tasks such as recording of lectures and making attendance, and this one is for my lecturers. So yeah, because being a lecturer is very very tension, and also have statistics saying that the highest job that got mental problem is lecturers, because you need to face the student behavior and also your task. Okay, I will not proceed into this. Okay, I will continue my remote learning point. And then both student and teachers had opinion that online learning modalities had encouraged student centeredness during this lockdown situation. So basically this one is truth also. uh, uh, like before, I everything I go to Puncak Alam, I just hear what all my lecturers teach me. But now, even though we do have online class, but still we need to self study, because not everything lecturers know and understand like face to face punya cara. Okay, the student had become self direct learners and they learn at any time in a day. Is very easy now. Second is comfort. This one is really really true, because like there is one moment that I wake up late, so I don't get shower and I just open my laptop and just join the meeting, just join the group, the Google Meet. That one is the simple one lah. But then another one is we can just set on our bed, and then with just pajamas. That one is the rude one lah, tapi that's the truth. And then because we close all the camera, right, that one is the disadvantage actually. But for student, that one is comfort. And then comfort too, because there is a time I need to fulfill all my parents' need, because I'm not yet married. So there's a day that I have a class, but my parents ask me to do something, so I just can open and then I can fulfill what my parents need lah. So that one is very comfort for me. So I can learn something new from my lecturers, and also I can buat something untuk berbakti for my parents. And then the last for advantage point is accessibility. This one is for like accessibility is under flexibility, which is like every time I don't understand, I just can WhatsApp all my lecturers and ask, like between, for example, like between me and madam sendiri. Previously I did WhatsApp you and I asked which file I need to do all the assignment, and then you said this one. So that one is very easy compared to like during my full time. We can contact through WhatsApp, but my lecturer will also say, can you come and meet me here, can you come and meet me there, and I was like, oh okay, can, no problem lah. But during COVID-19, it's very limited untuk keluar for me to go outside and meet my lecturers. So just through WhatsApp and through Google Meet, I can understand a lot from my lecturers. Thank you, madam. Okay, and then my first point of disadvantages of online learning online learning during COVID-19 is difficulty in maintaining academic integrity, which it's real lack of discipline. Like as I said before, I tak mandi but I go to class, and then but because previously kalau if not if we don't have COVID-19, I think like every time I go to class I will shower first lah. But during COVID-19, shower jimat my mum punya bill air kan. Alright. And then lack of discipline lah. There is some problem coming with discipline. Some students used to misbehave during lectures. Yeah, that's true. So that one is hard for lecturers to maintain. And then I'm so sorry, madam. And then the second one is plagiarism. As this system is new to everyone, it is difficult to have individual assessment during assignment. They easily copy paste stuff from web. This one also true because before COVID-19, we every time test, especially test and exam, we need to study. We also need to study. But during once COVID-19 happened, I found that like my previous semester, like last semester, I found that my sister, because we learn from online je kan, they quite like everything is copy paste. Also me doing now. I'm so sorry, madam, but this one is I doing by myself lah. Alright. And then the the last one is inefficiency, which is unable to teach skill. So like there's not everything lecturers can teach through video. Lack of student feedback, this one through limited attention span, lack of attentiveness. So basically I can found that every time my lecturers online, we close our camera, so we do something else, and then when lecturers ask something we cannot answer. That one is very sad for me as a student also. But as I said, we do have our own kerja, so I'm so sorry lecturer, but this one I think like I need to change by next semester. Thank you so much, madam, and I love you. Assalamualaikum.